In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel limit order in Bybit. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel all of the orders that you have issued on Bybit. I'm going to teach you how to do this through the mobile app. This might also work on the official website, but for this video, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you how to do it through the app available on the App Store and the Play Store. So to manage your orders, you have to tap on Spot. So using the menu at the bottom of your screen, go over to the Spot option. Now you will see graphs and information charts regarding trading. And all that you have to do here is switch over to the trade window. So using the two buttons at the top, switch over from charts to trade. When you tap on trade, you will now be able to manage your orders. So you will see some information at the top, but you will see orders alongside assets and tools. So just go all the way down until you see it here. Now, there will be orders listed here. If you have multiple, they are going to be ordered. All that you have to do is tap on any specific one that you would like to modify or cancel, and then choose the option. So select this order, for example, and you can either modify it or cancel it altogether, which is the focus of this video. You will see all of the information here. And if you really want to proceed, just tap on cancel and confirm. You can repeat this as many times as you wish, and there is a button to cancel all of your currently placed orders. If a specific order does not appear on this window, then you will not be able to cancel it. This is the only interface where you will be able to manage the active orders that you have on Bybit. So to keep it simple, go over to the Spot menu, using the options here at the bottom of the screen, then switch over from charts to trade, and then scroll down until you see your orders available. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel limit order in Bybit. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.